Tonight's story is The Wolf Who Wanted to Change His Color, written by Orianne, Lallemand, illustrations by Eleonore, Thuillier. Once upon a time, there was a big gray wolf that did not like his color. He thought that gray was much too dreary. The wolf had an idea. He would change his color. Monday. On Monday, the wolf tried green. He plunged his paw into a tin of green paint and smeared the paint all over his body. When the paint dried, the wolf looked at himself in the mirror. "That is an awful sight," he exclaimed. "Now I look like a fat frog. This will not do at all." On Tuesday, the wolf slipped on his red sweater, which his grandmother knitted for him, a pair of scarlet stockings, and a pair of scarlet stockings. When he had on his red clothes, the wolf looked at himself in the mirror. "Goodness me! Now I look like Santa Claus. And I don't even look like Christmas. No, this will not do at all." On Wednesday, the wolf snuck into the farmer's garden and picked all the pink roses. He covered himself with the pink petals. When he was covered in pink, he looked at himself in the mirror. "Yuck!" he shrieked. "Now I look like a princess. No, this will not do at all." On Thursday, the wolf plunged himself into an ice-cold bath. He was so cold that when he came out of the bath, he had turned blue. And as his teeth chattered, he looked at himself in the mirror. Brr, but blue makes me look hideous. No, this will not do at all. On Friday, the wolf ate an entire basket full of oranges. Then he carefully stuck the orange peels all over his body. When he was finished, he looked at himself in the mirror. "How dreadful!" he exclaimed. "I look like a giant carrot, and maybe even like a wolf. No, this will not do at all." On Saturday, the wolf rolled around in a big puddle of mud. When he was all brown, he looked at himself in the mirror. "Goodness me! Now I don't look like anything at all. Besides, the mud makes me itch and I smell awful. No, this will not do at all." On Sunday, the wolf went hunting for peacocks. He found a peacock sleeping peacefully, and he plucked its feathers. After he dressed in his peacock feathers, he looked at himself in the mirror. "Ooh, this time I do look handsome." But all the female wolves thought he looked handsome too. All day long they followed him around and whispered into his ear, "Oh, how handsome you are, my dear wolf." The poor multicolored wolf had no peace at all. Finally, one evening, when he could stand it no more, the wolf looked at himself in the mirror. This won't do at all. I don't want to be green, red, pink, blue, orange, brown, or even multicolored. Finally, I am happy being just the way I am, a gray wolf. The end.